Hello guys, it's High Blues FX and it's your boy Steve. I'm so happy to be back again on our YouTube channel, and I really want to thank every one of you who have stayed with us during our time of trading, during our time of YouTube, and all of those time we're actually at. I want to thank you guys for actually staying with us. We really appreciate it. Without you guys, we can't be here. So I just want to say thank you to you guys for staying with us. And we actually just resumed trading fully yesterday, Monday, November 2nd rather. We resumed trading yesterday, November 2nd, and it was really a good start. Yeah, it was a good one. In the VIP, we gave out some cool trades, and we actually were able to secure some good pips. And even right now, some trades are still running. Yeah, we actually trading store. We trading. We're using trading store for a USD card. Yeah, I gave that signal. I dropped that signal for my VIP, and even for the public group on Telegram, I actually dropped the chart analysis there too. And for EJ, yeah, for EJ, we still have EJ running, and we still have a Hero USD running right now. So all these trades are in profit. And maybe just okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take you to my Telegram and show you guys. So I want to thank you guys for staying with us. We really do appreciate. We really appreciate, guys. Yeah, it's good to be back again. Yeah, it's good to be back again. And for those who have paid for VIP before, we actually went off before. Yeah, I was really sick, and because I was sick, I was not able to do anything. It just happened so fast. I had to spend almost 3 weeks. Yeah, I was hospitalized for almost 3 weeks, but I'm glad I'm back now, and yeah, I can say I'm fine. Yeah, I can say I'm fine. So during the time of, a lot of people actually were dropping message for me, and somehow I think majority of people still prefer the crossover strategy. Yeah, it's a wonderful strategy. I mean, the crossover strategy is it's a powerful strategy, and for that reason, I've decided to make another video on the crossover strategy to make the crossover strategy more effective. So right now, I'm just going to take you guys to my MT5, right? Yeah, my MT5, and do a little upgrade and update of the crossover strategy to make it more sufficient, more efficient, and all of that. So guys, it's High Blues FS again. Right now, I'm just gonna I'm gonna take you to my chart on MT5, and then we can do the update of the crossover strategy, and so that we can become more efficient. Yeah, thank you once again for staying with us. Really appreciate. We hope that this update gonna make the crossover strategy more efficient. Of course, yeah, when you stick to the rule, it's really gonna make it more efficient. So right now, let's go to our MT5 and do the update. Before then, we're gonna show you our introduction video, and we'll see you right there. Guys, so welcome back again to our YouTube channel, and we just want to do an update on the crossover strategy so that it can be more efficient. But just as I said in the video clip earlier, let me just take you to our Telegram channel, the VIP group, where we took some trade yesterday, and it was really cool. I actually resumed trading fully yesterday, and we'll be able to secure some good pips so far. And let me just show you guys. Okay, so here it is. High Blues FX. Here it is. So this was yesterday. When we actually yesterday. Okay, so these were the chart analysis we dropped. We did drop the EU on the free group, and we also did drop it here on the private group, the paid group for signals. And this EU, this UC, we said we'll be looking for a buy opportunity on EU, Euro USD. We wait for confirmation and we ride. And for UC, USD card, we said we'll be looking for a shorting opportunity on UC. We wait for a confirmation signal and enter. And this for EJ going for a rate test, we're looking for a buy opportunity. And so we did drop the signal here, as you can see. Say you see this TP as we've seen from here, you see here. And this was for EJ and this was for EU. So we did drop all the signals, and even we actually traded this C500 and C1000, and all of it we are actually in profit. So we break even. So this is just a look at our performance on the private group of High Blues FS just yesterday when we actually resumed. So having said that, so today now we want to just do a little update on the crossover strategy to make it more efficient. To make it more efficient. Okay, so as you can see, my chart is plain. It's an empty chart right now. So first we have to add the indicators back to our chart and see the update. For this is actually crash 1000 and it's really on the support from the 4-hour time frame. We'll be looking for a buy opportunity, but we will not just buy simply because the price is at the support level. We wait for a confirmation signal for us to enter. So let's just add the indicators right away and see how we can actually trade using the crossover strategy more efficiently. As you all know, we're only using the moving average. As you can see, moving average 10, simple, 3PZ blue, and you can just follow the screen direction if this is your first time seeing the crossover strategy. So we click on done. We add another moving average, and this time we change here to 16, we change here to exponential and here to red, and we click done. So this is it, and we come again and add another moving average. This time the 48 moving average, we add the 48 moving average. We change the color to, let's just use this, and you click done. Now one thing I want to let you guys know, the color doesn't really matter. The color doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which color you preferred, so long the settings, the parameters of the indicators are the same. So long you're using the same parameters with the one you see in my screen, it's okay. You are on the right track. So usually these were the three indicators we've been using for the crossover strategy. Usually before now, this has been the 3 moving average we've been using: the 10 simple moving average, the 16 exponential moving average, and the 48 exponential moving average. But just so to make this strategy more efficient than it already is, we'll be adding another moving average, and that will be the updated one. That is the difference between the old strategy and the new strategy. So we'll be adding another moving average, but this time we'll be adding the 200 moving average, exponential moving average. So let's use this color. Okay, let's go for this now. And so this is the crossover strategy, the updated crossover strategy. Instead of using 3 moving average, right now we do be using 4 moving average. Please, you can follow the screen direction. We're using the 10 simple moving average, which is the blue. We'll be using the 16 EMA moving average, exponential moving average, and the 48 exponential moving average, and the updated one, which is the last one we just added, the 200 exponential moving average. Now, what is the function of the 200 exponential moving average? What is the function of the 200 exponential moving average? For one thing, if you have not watched the video of how you can actually trade using the crossover strategy, I'm gonna drop the link just below the description box. Check somewhere around the description box. You're gonna see a link to that video on how you can actually enter a buy signal, or how you can actually enter a sell signal using the crossover strategy. So today we're not going to be talking about how you can enter a buy signal or how you can actually enter a sell signal. We're going to be talking about how the 200 exponential moving average going to help improve the winning ratio of this powerful strategy. We're going to be talking about how you can actually use the 200 exponential moving average as another confluence for your entry using the crossover strategy. And just so let me give you one instance here. Now take a look. As you can see here, all the conditions for the buy was actually met here, though it was a 4-hour time frame, but we saw that the crossover happened here. Now it shows that it was going to buy. This was a buy signal here, right here at this spot. But we have another confluence for a buy signal using the 200 exponential moving average. So once there's a crossover for a buy signal here, which did happen here, we then look for another confluence using the 200 exponential moving average. Now, when using the 200 exponential moving average as an additional confluence for our entry, since you already know a buy signal, if you, like I've said before, if you don't know the buy condition using the crossover strategy, I'm going to drop a link below in the description box just so you can watch how you can actually enter a buy or a sell signal using the crossover strategy. So for example, in these instances here, and this was a buy signal from the crossover strategy. Now if we are seeing this, if you see something like this, a crossover like this, the blue moving average crossing over the red moving average, and the 48 moving average, which is the gold like color here, the gold color moving average crosses over both the blue moving average and the red moving average, it signifies a buy signal. Now this was our first buy signal here. Now we use the 200 exponential moving average as an additional confluence of the buy signal or a sell signal. Now once you see the crossover happened like this, once you see it crosses over like this, and then you saw the 200 exponential moving average crosses over the three other moving average, the blue, the red, and the gold color moving average, crossing over below, it crosses below the three other moving average. It shows that it is a strong trend, it's a strong uptrend. So it's a two confluence we have here. We saw the crossover here, the blue moving average crossing over the red moving average, and the 48 moving average crossing below both the 10 moving average and the 16 moving average. That is our first confirmation for a buy market. And then after this crossover has happened, you then wait for another confluence telling you that the market is a strong uptrend. Now, how do we know that the market is a strong uptrend? It is when this 200 exponential moving average then crosses below both the 10 moving average, 16 moving average, and the 48 moving average. Whenever we see it, we see the crossover like this, it shows that it's a strong uptrend market. So we have more reason to go in for a buy using the crossover strategy. And just imagine if we had entered this market here, just look at how the market was just going up. So it would have been a good ride. Really, it would have been a good ride. So this is how we can actually use the 200 exponential moving average as an additional confluence for our entry. Now this is just for a buy signal. Now for a sell signal, it is the very opposite of a buy signal, and that is typically what happened here. Now it was a sell signal here. It was a sell signal. Look at how the red moving average crosses over the blue moving average, and the gold color moving average, which is the 48 moving average, crosses above the two moving average, which is the blue and the 10. Now it shows that the market was going to go down. Now but then we saw another confirmation using the 200 exponential moving average, when the 200 exponential moving average crosses above both the 48 moving average, which is the gold color, the 16 moving average, the 16 exponential moving average, which is the red color, and the 10 simple moving average, which is the blue color. So once we see, first, this was the first entry for a sell signal, and then we saw this 200 exponential moving average crosses above. It shows that it's a strong downtrend. It's a strong downtrend. So we go in, we short the market. It is just as simple as this. Like I've said before, the 200 exponential moving average act as an additional confluence for either for a buy entry or a sell entry signal. Now this is for boom. Okay, this is crash 1000, but the conditions are always the same for any instrument you're using the crossover strategy for. Now this is an update of the crossover strategy. You guys should just follow the direction. Like I've said before, if you don't know how you can actually take your position using the crossover strategy, I will drop the link below. You can watch it. In that video, we did talk about our entry position, our stop loss, and our take profit using the crossover strategy. Now it's a powerful strategy and it works on all instruments. So long the instrument have a chart, have candles, it actually works on it. So guys, please take your time. The strategy still works and it's working, and it will always work. Yeah, this is a very strong strategy, guys. So just take your time, focus on the strategy, and it's really gonna pay you if you do. Remember, it's High Blues FS, and it's still your boy Steve Vino. We are glad to be back again. We're so happy to be back again after that long break, man. Yeah, we're happy to be back again. And just so you guys should please watch this video. If you have any question regarding this 200 exponential moving average, or regarding any of my strategy, or if you want me to do an update of any of our strategy we've done in the past, if you want to do an updated one, or you want me to talk more on the strategy, you can just you can write us on Telegram, or you can say it right there in the comment section. We do be glad to do just so. We are here for you guys. We're glad to be back again. I want to thank you for being with us. And if you are watching this video, seriously, if you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly hit on that subscription button. Yeah, it's totally free. That's one way you can actually support us. One way you can, that is the way you can support us. You can support us by subscribing to our channel. You can turn on the notification bell for more updates. So please, if you are watching and you have not subscribed, subscribe. Another thing you can actually do to help us is by sharing our YouTube content, our video, to your social media account. We really do appreciate that way our content can reach more people. Yeah, so we love you guys. Keep the support coming. We really appreciate. Good to be back again. Be expecting more videos. Yeah, we'll be coming out with other videos now, powerful strategy and educational videos on how you can actually trade the forex market and make the broker. That is the aim, guys. We want to make money from this forex trading, and so we want to do all we can to make sure that you too are also making money from the forex industry. We love you guys. It's Blues FS. It's your boy Stevano. I will see you right in our next video. Love you guys. Peace.